everyone, welcome back to Fusion Cuisine. Today we'll be making delicious rice paper rolls. To make this, you will need rice paper sheets, vermicelli noodles, purple cabbage, zucchini, soy flakes, green capsicum, onion, snowshoots, sriracha sauce, chili flakes, tomato sauce, and soy sauce. First, I'm adding about a teaspoon of olive oil onto the pan, and then I'm going to add my onions onto the pan and stir until they are golden brown. Next, I'm adding about a cup of soy flakes that I've put in water and adding salt on as I go. Then I'm going to add my tomato sauce, sriracha sauce, and chili flakes for some spice and seasoning, and that's how you make the soy mixture for our rice paper rolls. Now that we've finished our mixture, I'm going to move on to making the rice paper rolls. First, I put the rice paper sheets in the water and leave it in there for about a minute, and then I'm going to add all my ingredients towards the middle of the rice paper sheet. As you can see here, I'm taking the ends of the rice paper sheet and putting it towards the middle of the roll and securing all my fillings towards the center so they don't fall out later. I'm taking an end and then pushing the fillings towards the middle so that they don't fall out and so that it is a tight roll and it's easier to eat later on. I'm just going to roll it up. You just need a bit of practice and then it will be perfect. As you can see here, I'm just serving it with a bit of sriracha and soy sauce. Overall, this is just a delicious, easy snack that everyone can enjoy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you already haven't, and make sure you share with everyone. And be back next time on Fusion Cuisine.